Over the years, cloud computing has been advancing and is now a huge part of new technology today. As of 2009, the cloud computing term is associated with large companies looking for another way to manage their IT department. But in the future, cloud computing can eventually provide services to home users. Everyone using a desktop has spent quite some money for tons of software and hardware. Every time you need new software for any reason, you will have to purchase that software. But with cloud computing, you will not need to spend that money for new software. All you do is get into the cloud and do your project, typically for a fee by the minute, hour, or usage. The very vague term cloud computing can be interpreted in many ways, but the overall concept is essentially a way to borrow any type of computer resource as a virtual service through the internet. There is a good chance you have already used some form of cloud computing. If you have an email account with a web-based email service like Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, or Gmail, then you have had some experience with cloud computing. Instead of running an email program on your computer, you log into a web email account virtually. The software and storage for your account doesn't exist on your computer. It's from the service's computer cloud.
File storage, data processing, application maintenance, and application development are some other cloud computing services available to the enterprise market today. Cloud computing services like these are divided into several categories. The three main cloud computing categories are utility computing, platform as a service, and software as a service. Utility computing refers to a single network of hardware resources accessible by many users in different locations. The networked physical devices for the service can be located around the globe. Platform as a service is a management service that provides the resources and support to build and deploy applications provided completely over the internet. Software as a service consists of a single application accessible over the internet by many users through a browser. The single application is low in cost, easy to maintain for providers, and does not require users to purchase multiple software licenses. Many companies provide categorized cloud services, yet very few companies bundle them all into a single service. These internet integrations, or bundled cloud services, are the future in cloud computing technology and can potentially replace the need for desktop computers.
With cloud computing, you have access to computing power when you need it. You never touch the cloud physically. Your main focus is the website or software, not the hardware itself. The three top reasons why cloud computing is becoming so popular are scalability. It's easy to grow and shrink to match your demand. Instant access. The computing power is there when you need it. You just turn it on and it's in your control. Saving money. You only pay for what you use. Another reason it's so popular is the reliability. Instead of using your own servers that break down and need constant maintenance, you can always use the more reliable cloud. Cloud computing is becoming the new rage. Enterprise users today are starting with cloud computing because it is more reliable and cheaper. Chances are you might even use cloud computing without realizing it. The three main cloud categories are utility computing, platform as a service, and software as a service. Some services of cloud computing include file storage, data processing, application maintenance, and application development. By combining services like these, cloud computing can provide home users with a cheaper and more reliable alternative to desktop computers. In the end, it is, and will be, part of the future somehow.